Tell y'all about my two new product best friends. We got the lightning fast stain extractor from Chemical Guys, and then Bissell's cordless little green machine thing. Okay, so let me show you how it works. All we're gonna do is just spray this dirty yellow circle. You see, this yellow used to be as bright as that one in the corner, so we're gonna make it look good. So we spray the area just a couple times, just like that. Now you can scrub it, or you can use Bissell's little scrubber right here. We're gonna power the machine on. Spray the water. The water's gonna come out of here, just like this. There we go. Okay, now it's wet. Now we just scrub. Look at that. And you can see all of the dirty water coming up here. Look at that stain. You saw that stain in the corner? That's it. Y'all. Get in there. So there's no more water really coming up.
To show you guys, I'm going to demonstrate this. I did buy some like this wool white. I bought this wool white stuff to use on here, and I haven't even started using that, but I've just started spraying this on here, and the stains just literally started disappearing. Look at that, it's already, look, it's already starting to disappear. I did use the scrubber on this though a little bit for the stains that were darker. But look at that, you guys, they're already disappearing. They're going. This stuff is crazy, you guys. I got this stuff to use in my car because I bought my car used. Look at that. It's literally gone, you guys. The stains are gone. Look, gone.